Hey everybody.
Hello, buddy.
Hey everybody.
Hey.
Say what's up.
What's up? I can't get in the camera. I'm not Raleigh. I'm in the camera.
Hold on.
Mommy, I found little Orbeez on the floor. Hi, Bobby, gal.
Well, let me fix your hair.
Mommy, I found little Orbeez.
Girl, look at y'all hair. Y'all look like ducks.
Go say that.
Go get 2 bowls out the bathroom.
so-
I'm gonna pause it.
Pause.
Hey everybody.
Hey.
We're back. I can't see you, Reese. We're back. Right now, I'm gonna slick my hair down for the girls, and they're gonna style my hair, but they can't slick it down. So I'm gonna do the hard part, and they're gonna do the easy part. We're gonna do an invisible ponytail on mommy. Make sure you like and subscribe. Everybody, tell them.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up.
I'm gonna start it, and y'all gonna finish it, okay?
Okay. I don't know. Hey, Mommy.
Make sure, here, Riley, keep wrapping.
Okay.
Make sure all my hair is covered up.
Oh. Like even in the scalp?
No, just on the ponytail.
Let's go take to the market shop. When are we going to do the ponytail?
Keep doing
When are we going to do the braid?
What braid? I braided it down.
I know how to braid.
You know how to braid?
There is no more.
Okay, let me do it
It's
again.
half of it.
Hey, Riley.
Who's in the restroom?
I did not know that.
Oh, Wally did the thing.
No, you're gonna do one too.
Mommy.
Girl, what? The thing wasn't even going on my head.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta make sure it's on there. Look, like, see? Alright, Reese, wrap this one.
White. Right.
Keep wrapping it around. Make sure you keep it straight, like, let go of it. Make sure it's straight like this.
That's this. Yuck.
No, wrap it around the hair.
It's this one.
And wrap it around. Girl, what are you doing?
I don't know. I mean,
I'm trying to show y'all. Y'all not listening. That's why y'all don't know how to do it.
I know how to do it. You don't know how to do it.
Yes, she did. She did. You have to keep it straight.
Your lips are sparkly.
I don't
Your lips have dirt on it.
Oh, don't say that. Reese, you're not being very nice. Where's RJ playing with his toys? Alright, I think it's wrapped it up.
Mama, gotta put some lipstick on it.
Because what do you need lipstick for? Where are you going?
I like to put it on a video. I like putting lipstick on.
Okay.
Could I? Yes.
Yeah.
Let me pick on it.
No, not lipstick. You got lip gloss.
Okay. Capsule.
Because I'm very scared, I'm gonna do one more wrap myself.
Why? Why are you very scared?
Because I don't want the glue to go through into my hair.
What glue? You glue?
Yeah, we're gonna glue the hair to this paper.
Where's glue?
It's right here. Alright. I'm put a little glue on this paper.
Okay. Raleigh, you almost about to make me break it, Raleigh. Break that! Dad.
Alright, girls. Y'all ready? Alright, I got this hair. It's some wavy long hair. Yep. Let me see how this works out. I only think I need one of these. I don't think I want one of these. Here, y'all gotta wrap this hair around my ponytail. See? Look.
Whoa, that's...
Alright, so the hair, listen. Scoot over. You in the video? You gonna get in the video?
It's glowing. Not if RJ keep getting on that stool. Purple.
Alright, Reese. I'm about to start without you because you're not.
No. Don't even start without me.
Okay, come on.
What's glowing?
Alright, I'm gonna start off and y'all have to look. I'm putting the glue right here. See? Okay. Alright, I put it right there. And I'm gonna hold it on. Make sure it's on the paper. I got it on the paper?
Yeah.
And you have to wrap it around like that, okay?
Okay.
And look, put some more glue right here. Don't squeeze a lot. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. You know what I'm gonna do? Give it here. I'll squeeze the glue. Y'all wrap it around.
Okay. 4, 8, 9, 10.
Is it on the paper? Is it coming out?
It's on the paper. It's coming out.
I can't see, Riley.
Mommy, this is your code number. 1, 0,
Get here.
2, 6.
Wrap the hair around and sit. Make sure it's sitting in the glue.
Okay. Well, this is your code number. 1, 0,
I'm moving.
2.
You gotta make sure you're grabbing this and wrapping it around.
1, 4. That's your code number.
Wrap it around.
Mommy.
Is it going in the glue? I need some more glue.
Yeah, you need more. It's on there, but you need more. Really get that?
I should have just got a ponytail that you tie in your hair. Here.
It's glowing.
Come on, Riley. Keep wrapped. Oh, it's glue dripping on me.
Yeah. Good.
It's on my face.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is a disaster.
Raleigh. Mommy, I be more careful with it.
Can someone get me a wipe or something?
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, Reese, come wrap this hair.
Watch.
Alright.
Oh.
Look, you gotta go like this. And wrap the hair. Come on, stand up and help.
Help Raleigh. I'm gonna put some on your pink hair. Because I know you're gonna hide it.
My pink hair is not hidden? Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, that's good.
Got some. Here you go. I can wipe it. Oh my! I can wipe it this. It smells like somebody.
Like fish, huh?
It smells like a dog poop. Or you don't talk about. Thank you.
Is there glue on there?
I think ours is boo boo. You got it on your skin. Got it on your skin. Ooh, what's that smell?
That's a glue.
Glue. What did they put? I think they put.
Here, Reese, you gonna wrap the ponytail around or no?
Reese, can you?
Am I putting, Riley, is it glue on here?
Yeah.
Now look, y'all sit it on there, right there.
Reese.
No, I didn't tell you to put the glue
I
up.
don't want to do it, Reese.
She want to wrap it around? Here.
But Mommy told me to do it.
Okay, let Reese do a wrap and Riley, you do a wrap. Do I need more glue right here? Wait, is my real hair?
What?
Yep. Yep. Hold on. I think we messed up.
I think we messed up. Riley, this is a disaster.
This
Why
is
did
funny.
you do that, Riley? I didn't do that. Don't you keep yelling at me. You said this is a disaster. You did it. Riley, you always yell at me.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You know what? We're gonna do this a different way.
Yeah. Without Riley. If you use glue, stick it. Girl, cream color. I'm about to show you how to mix some.
Y'all, what was I thinking? Like, what am I
First
doing?
you need some glue. In a guy. Check. Then you need some.
Alright,
First
I
you
know
need
what I'm
some
gonna do
glue.
this time.
In a guy. First you need some water. In a guy.
Shit.
Then you need some glue. In a guy. Check. Then you need some shaving cream. Then you need some active base. Then you need some shaving cream.
Alright, I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. Like, you know.
Then you need some shaving cream. And then you need some activator.
Alright, put it in the bun.
Do you need another one?
No, not yet.
But I wanted to get.
Okay, you could get another rub in.
Okay. Okay.
It's in the bun?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Look, I'm gonna show you how to do it one more time.
Okay.
And-
Let's finish it.
And then you go like this. See? Now it's in the bun. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Instead of using the hair, we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna wrap all the weave around. So it didn't work out with the girls helping me. Mostly because I probably didn't put the paper on good. I think that's more for other people to do. So I'm going to just attempt to wrap this around my hair myself. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go with a different style for today.
just a little bit. Like this.
Where?
When you squeeze it, it's going away. It's.
Did you cover it up? Cover it up.
Yeah, when you squeeze it.
Alright. So that was an epic fail. But hey, I still got a hairstyle. Let me show you my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it like this later. No, I'm not wearing my hair like this. Sorry, this is ugly. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. The invisible ponytail didn't work. I'm going to just wear my real hair. My husband likes it better that way anyway. Yeah, I don't know how my hair is going to be later, but yeah, that didn't work. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.